If intelligence increases capability, governance coordinates capability. A governance layer is not a restriction engine. It is a coordination engine. It determines how objectives are balanced, evaluated, and constrained before action occurs. In the previous video, I argued that intelligence without governance becomes unstable. In this video, I want to make that more concrete. What does a governance layer actually do inside a system? Not philosophically, structurally. Complex systems rarely have a single objective. They operate across multiple goals: performance, efficiency, stability, safety, and long-term viability. A governance layer arbitrates between them. It prevents one objective from dominating the system unchecked. Without arbitration, optimization collapses into narrowness. With arbitration, trade-offs are evaluated before execution. Constraints only matter if they are enforced at the decision layer. A governance layer evaluates proposed actions, checks them against structural boundaries, and blocks or modifies actions that violate constraints. This happens before outcomes propagate. That's critical. Post hoc correction is reactive. Pre-execution evaluation is structural. Over time, systems drift. Objectives subtly shift. Edge cases accumulate. Optimization pressures evolve. A governance layer monitors pattern deviations, repeated edge case behavior, and feedback inconsistencies. It identifies drift before it compounds. This is not about paranoia, it's about system maintenance. The final rule of governance is temporal. It evaluates not just does this action work, but what does this action imply over time? Governance introduces a longer time horizon into decision making. Without it, short-term gains dominate. With it, stability becomes a design parameter. In version 1.5 of the system I've been building, governance operates as an internal gating layer. Actions are not simply executed because they optimize a local objective. They are evaluated in context. Certain trajectories are structurally unavailable. Certain actions require internal validation loops. It is still experimental, but the architectural principle is clear. Optimization without arbitration scales instability. Optimization with governance scales coherence. A governance layer does not reduce intelligence. It shapes it. It transforms raw capability into coordinated capability. And as systems become more powerful, that distinction becomes increasingly important.